Dear guys, today I'm going to teach you chapter 7 from the book Honeycomb for class 7, part 1. The name of the lesson is The Invention of Beta Onk. This is the name of the lesson, chapter, and chapter number 7. Just in this, that is the title is The Invention of Beta Onk. Beta Onk का आविष्कार, invention, आविष्कार. The Mr. Willy Onk was a scientist. Mr. Willy Onk was a scientist. Mr. Willy Onk was a scientist who first invented. First of all, he invented. पहली बार उन्होंने आविष्कार किया था. What kind of medicine? That is first Onk white. Onk white. First of all, Mr. Willy Onk invented first medicine. The name of the medicine was Onk white, which made people younger. This medicine made people younger. In this lesson, we are going to learn about this kind of medicine that is invented by the scientist Mr. Willy Wonka. Just who are the oldest people you know? Who are the oldest people? सबसे वृद्ध पुराना क्या चीज है? कौन people हैं? Who are the oldest things you have seen? Oldest thing or oldest people, सबसे वृद्ध पुराना पेड़ या व्यक्ति प्राणी. In your city or in the village, or how old are they? Just try to find out. We are going to learn in this lesson. इस lesson में, इस part में हम जानने जा रहे हैं. We are going to learn who are the oldest people or things or anything. Have you ever wished that you were older? कभी आपने इच्छा किया वृद्ध होने का? कैसे कोई वृद्ध हो जाता है? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? शीघ्रता से वृद्ध हो जाना? How it is possible? The invention of Beta Onk. Mr. Willy Wonka, just the scientist, Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka white. First of all, he invented Wonka white नामक medicine का आविष्कार किया, which makes people younger. This type of medicine makes people younger. लोगों को छोटा कर दे, कम उम्र का कर देता है. Wonka white is too strong. He was too strong, very strong he was. So some people disappear because their age becomes minus. Some people became in minus age. उनका उम्र ही घट गया. And example is given here. A person actually becomes minus 87. एक person ऐसे भी थे जो 87 years minus में चला गया. Minus हो गया उनका. That is, which means he has got to wait 87 years. इस पोजीशन में आने के लिए he has got to wait 87 years. उनको इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. Before he can come back, Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. He is going to invent a new thing. एक नई चीज का आविष्कार करने जा रहे हैं. Mr. Wonka said, Mr. Wonka ने कहा, so once again I rolled again, I squeezed my brain, just I rolled up my sleeves अपने भुजाओं को ऊपर करना, and then he is ready to do something new. कुछ नया करने के लिए तैयार है. He is ready to do something. Once again I squeezed my brain. Once again he thought in his mind. He decided, made up his mind to do something new. Searching for the new recipe. That is a kind of medicine. I had to create age. Just he wanted to create age. उम्र वो बनाना चाहते थे. To make people older, oldest. How we can make people older, oldest. सबसे वृद्ध कैसे बना सकते हैं? I cried for how now ideas were beginning to come. New ideas started to come in his mind. नए विचार दिमाग में आने लगे. What's the oldest living thing in the world? He tried to find out. What's the oldest thing in this world? इस दुनिया में सबसे पुरानी चीज कौन है? वृद्ध सबसे ओल्ड चीज कौन है? Yes, what lives longer than anything else? जो हर चीज से ज्यादा दिन तक टिकाऊ रहती है. A tree Charlie से. Charlie who was also with him. Charlie भी उनके साथ था. Charlie also a character in this story. He is also with him. Right you are, Charlie. Charlie, tell me, what kind of tree is the oldest? सबसे पुराना कौन सा पेड़ है? Not the Douglas fir नहीं. No, Douglas fir. A kind of tree. Not the oak भी नहीं. Not the cedar, ये भी नहीं. No, my boy, no. These kinds of trees, no. ये जो प्रकार के पेड़ हैं, they are not oldest. It is called the Bristol cone pine. Just he said that Bristol cone pine, a kind of tree which is the oldest tree that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. USA में that is it grows on the high peak of the mountain that is upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak. Wheeler Peak चोटी के ऊपर ये उगता है. And you can find Bristol cone pines, yes, are over 4,000 years old. This kind of tree, this tree is 4,000 years old. 4,000 वर्ष पुराना ये पेड़ है. This is fact, Charlie. This is fact. This is true. ये सत्य है. Ask any dendrochronologist who knows about trees, scientist, that is, who knows about that is trees. You like find, look and look at that word up in the dictionary when you get home. When you get home, try to find out this word in dictionary. Will you please? Oh, so that started me off, and I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world. He tried to find out all around him. Charo, daud pade, to try to find out which is the oldest tree, or collecting special items from the oldest living thing. What are the oldest living things he tried to collect? वो पुरानी से पुरानी चीजें क्या हैं संग्रह करने का प्रयास किया. A pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old Bristol cone pine. यह एक प्रकार का पेड़ है जो 4,000 वर्ष पुराना है. इसका एक जूस, some part of juice, कुछ इसका जूस इन्होंने कलेक्ट किया. A drop of juice of this tree. Second, the toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer जिसे कहा जाता है called पेट्रोविच नामक किसान का क्या थोड़ा सा अंगूठे का नेल, एक थोड़ा सा पार्ट, नेल का कुछ पार्ट. An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise, 200 वर्ष पुराना old tortoise कछुए का क्या एग, उसका एक एग उसके द्वारा. Tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga के, that is it belonged to king of Tonga. The tale of a 51 years old horse in अरेबिया से 51 years old horse, 51 वर्ष पुराने हॉर्स का क्या टेल, उसकी पूंछ. The whiskers of a 36 years old cat called crumpets नामक बिल्ली का क्या उसके कुछ बाल, whiskers गलमूछे उसके बाल. And also the old flea which and lived on crumpets for 36 years. 36 years पुराना ये. That is the tale of a 207 years old, 207 साल पुराना क्या old giant rat, एक बहुत विशाल बड़े रैट का क्या टेल, उसकी पूंछ. And the black teeth काला दांत of a 97-year-old grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl, ये नाम का गुफा में रहने वाला. That is black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin living, ये जो एक गुफा में रहता है और ये कितना पुराना है, it is 97 years old. इसका black teeth, इसके दांत. The knuckle bones of a 700 years old कैटलू फ्रॉम पेरू से कैटलू का 700 वर्ष पुराना क्या उसका ये पार्ट ऑफ दिस thing. Just he want, these are the oldest things he collected. This scientist collected all these things, collected, that is, and he wanted to invent a new thing. This is the end of part first. Next part I will explain next day. Thanks.